miserable, and they were ill-treated by the people of the upper caste, that is the Brahmins, the Kshatriyas, and the Vaishyas. Now, it was in these circumstances that the two Kshatriya princes founded the two new religions. One was Vardhamana Mahavira, who started Jainism, and the other was Gautam Buddha, who started Buddhism. So these were the reasons why these two religions, they became very popular. Okay, children, first of all we will be starting on with Jainism. Okay, as I already told you that Jainism, it was started or founded by Vardhamana Mahavira. Now, the historians, they believe that he was not the first Tirthankara. Now, what is the meaning of the word Tirthankara? It means a teacher. So, according to the Jains, they believe that he was not their first teacher, but he was the 24th and the last Tirthankara. But he was the person who made Jainism very, very popular. Okay. Now, according to the Jains, the first Tirthankara was Rishabh Dev, okay, who was also known as Adi Nath. Now, let us study something about the life of Mahavira. Mahavira, he was born in 540 BCE. So, underline the date, write the date and the event. 540 BCE, you will write Mahavira was born. Okay. Now, where was Mahavira born? He was born at a place known as Kunda Grama in Vaishali, which is now a district of Bihar. Now, what was his? Let us study about his parents. Okay, his father, his name was Siddharth, who was the head of a Kshatriya clan, and his mother's name was Trishala. She was a Lichvi princess. Now, his mother's name was Trishala, who was a Lichvi princess. Now, up till the age of 30, Mahavira, he led a normal life. Okay. He was married to a princess named Yashoda, and he had a daughter. But at the age of 30, he left the world and he wandered from as an atheistic. Atheistic means a person who has given up all the worldly pleasures. So he gave up all the worldly comforts and he kept moving from one place to another. He roamed for about how many years? 12 years from place to place in search of truth or knowledge. Now, it was at the age of 42 that he attained enlightenment. Now, what is the meaning of enlightenment? It is the state of attaining spiritual knowledge. So, at the age of 42, he felt as if he has attained enlightenment. And due to this enlightenment, he was able to have victory over both misery and happiness. And after this, he was known as a Jina. Jina means a conqueror who had already had control over his miseries and happiness. Now, since he was known as a Jina, his followers came to be known as Jains. Okay. Now, after this, he was known as Mahavira. Mahavira means the great hero. After attaining enlightenment, he traveled from place to place in Anga, Videha, and Magadha. And when he went from place to place, he preached his faith. Okay, whatever he has learned, he started preaching it among the people. Now again, underline the date, 468 BCE. So we will write here, Mahavira died. Okay, he died at a place known as Pavapuri, okay, which is near Rajgir in Bihar. And when he expired, he was at the age of 72.